Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes and the PowerPoint 2019 reference and cheat sheet. And today I'm going to be talking about launching a PowerPoint presentation. So here is a PowerPoint presentation that I have, and there are several easy ways to launch it. By the way, this is PowerPoint 2019 for macOS, but it looks almost the same in Windows and behaves the same with the exception of the keyboard shortcuts, which I will show you shortly. So here is my presentation. It's in the kind of the editing mode, the normal mode. If you look at the home ribbon, there's no obvious way to start it, but what you have to do is you have to go to the slideshow tab and then click play from start or play from current slide. And of course, if it's play from current slide, like let's say I was on this particular slide, what is Amazon Seller Central? If I pressed play from current slide, it would start up right here. And if you have any animations, it would start at the beginning of those animations for that particular slide. Now there's another way to quickly start your presentation, and that is at the very bottom of the window in either Mac or Windows. If you're using the desktop version of PowerPoint, you'll see an icon. It looks, I don't know if you can see it at the very bottom, but it looks like a screen, like a folding screen, and it says slideshow. If you click on that, that will start it as well. Now there's one other way to get your PowerPoint presentation quickly launched, and that's using keyboard shortcuts. And if you haven't used them, I advise actually checking it out because it can be a big time saver, especially once you remember how to use it. So basically, here are the keyboard shortcuts for PowerPoint. If you want to play this slideshow from the first slide, in Windows, you'd click the F5 key on your keyboard. If you're using macOS, it would be Command plus Shift plus Return, because a lot of Mac keyboards don't have the same function keys that Windows does. If you're going to play it from a current slide, Windows Shift plus F5, macOS would be Command plus Return. For more tips on how to get the most out of PowerPoint and to see the latest tips and tricks for either Windows or macOS, check out our book PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose, or go to in30minutes.com and click on cheat sheets, and we have a new PowerPoint 2019 quick reference and cheat sheet, which includes all of the major shortcut codes that you might use for PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching.